My name is William Pekarsky. I'm currently a law clerk at Adam Leitman Bailey, PC. The main thing that brought me back to the firm was my experience when I was in law school. When I was in law school, I didn't really have too much experience at a firm, specifically litigation, which is what I wanted to do. I didn't really know what area of law I wanted to go into. At first, I thought that maybe I wanted to be a corporate lawyer, but I went to law school and I was lucky enough to have an opportunity to work as an extern for ALBPC. And when I was here, it was just an extremely invaluable experience. Starting here off as an extern, I worked a few days a week, and I was given credit for my law school course. Basically, when I was here, a lot of it was, gaining the different experiences from different attorneys, but also getting the feedback that I needed to make me know that I was actually learning and not just coming into work just to do busy work and assignments that didn't really have any impact on me. So I guess the biggest thing here is the experience as an extern and everything that I was able to cultivate, going through my legal career from law school and then into graduation. As a legal extern, I first started off doing a lot of research. I was basically coming into this experience not knowing too much about the litigation aspect of working in a law office setting. I had a little bit of experience beforehand, but coming in here, and as time went on, I was getting more and more comfortable with the firm and meeting more and more of the attorneys. Started doing a little more drafting, everything under the direct supervision of the attorneys that assigned me to certain cases. The experience was great. I was able to get feedback. I was able to learn a lot, something that you're not really able to get just from going to law school. A lot of it was the practical aspect of working in a very fast pace. I knew I wanted to work here based on the different attorneys that I was able to collaborate with. There's a lot of attorneys that work in this firm that come from different backgrounds. Attorneys that not necessarily weren't specialists or experts in the real estate field, people who work in criminal law, government jobs, things like that. So I was able, when I came here, I knew that the attorneys that were working here had different experiences and different techniques and different forms of feedback that I was able to get, and I felt that was super invaluable to be able to get experiences from all these different walks of life and all these different fields of law that these attorneys, some of them who've been working their whole entire lives, were able to teach me. The firm's work culture is, in one word, I'd say transparent. Basically, this firm adheres to an open door policy, and I've learned this since I first started working here as an extern. There's really no barriers between the legal externs, the law clerks like me, junior associates, the senior associates, the partners, and even Adam himself. Basically, this firm fosters a culture where we're able to walk in at any time we have a question about a case we're working on, or just a general legal question about New York procedure or anything like that. The attorneys are very open and they're very receptive to helping you out with whatever questions you may have. So that's something that I valued greatly when I first started working here, and even up until this day. You don't have to be afraid to walk into Adam's office or a senior partner's office or a partner or whoever it may be and just ask questions and get the feedback and the answers that you need to help out with the cases that you're working on, or just any general questions you may have. The firm, for me, and from what I've learned, has to offer, in my experience, a great opportunity to learn. What this firm offered me was an opportunity to gain experiences from all these different attorneys, from different backgrounds and all these different practice areas, and learn how to make myself one day, with the goal of becoming a better attorney or a great attorney, use them as a resource to teach me how to draft better, how to conduct better research, how to best serve the client's interests, whatever the question may be. And the opportunity to learn was something that I didn't really think would be a possibility during law school, but up until this day, every day I'm learning something new, and it's a great opportunity. I think the most rewarding part about working here is being able to see the fruits of your labor actually blossom into tangible results, and that also comes with the ability to put forward your best work, and also see that one day turn into positive results for the client's greater goals. As far as working as a team goes, from day one, from when I first started working here, it was obvious to me that this firm was a very collaborative firm. The cases that we eventually take in when we start representation for a client is assigned to a specific partner, and from there is assignments down to younger associates, law clerks like me, even legal externs sometimes. And the way that I see it and the way that I've experienced it is these different cases aren't just the partner taking the helm and taking the lead, which obviously they're in charge of making sure the proper decisions are being made and things like that. But everybody has a say in what goes on in the case. Every single person that's working on the case, whether it is an extern law clerk, an intern, a younger associate, an older associate, or even a partner, everybody collaborates very well, and we're able to speak and make sure that every step of the process is accounted for, and everybody has their input to see if somebody can offer a unique perspective or something different that can give us an opportunity to get the best work done.